It's cloudy out there. Yay, let's go. Let's go on a walk. Alright, let's go. Okay. Hello, today I will explain first. After checking in your luggage, pass and baggage claim tags. Benny ない？
それは朝ごはん。
そうなの？どうしよう。ここ何時まで？
ここは6 a.m. till late.
Thank you. Thanks. カラスいるカラス。
Hi, how are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. Would you like to order anything at the moment?
Yes. Could I get a small flat white extra shot in the takeaway? And sorry, the milk is skim milk.
Awesome. And would you like any sugars in that one?
No thanks.
No problem.
Could I just get a nice coffee?
Yeah. And are you fine with the ice cream and whipped cream in there?
Yeah, sure. Could I also get another shot of espresso in there?
Yeah, definitely.
And then for food, could I get eggs Benny with bacon, please?
And would you like anything else with that one? Like hash browns or chipolatas or some spinach and mushroom?
Ooh, hash brown machine. Yes, could I get a hash brown, please?
Yeah, absolutely.
Thank you.
And for you?
Let's get the steak sandwich. Is there any chance I could get that with like chips?
Yeah, definitely.
That's everything.
Excellent.
Thank
you
you.
so much.
Wow. This coffee's yum.
Is it? Yeah,
Your mom asked me last night, where can I get flat white in Japan? Is it Starbucks or is it...
Can you get flat white in Starbucks?
No, as I told her there's no flat white in Japan. She said latte's fine, and I said you can basically just get lattes anywhere. Yep. Thank you. We should change your regular cafe we go to because we always come here, but then it's not the best one. いただきます、バッチン。
Best coffee.
I mean, I think it's too sweet though. But since I work there, I can't really go. But if I didn't work there, I would go there a lot.
Before you worked there, did you even know it existed?
No, that's the thing. うのはソーセージ、フローゼンブロッコリー、人参、白菜とじゃがいも。
Yum yum good.